Hello, in this video, we will compare Akiflow and TickTick to help you choose the best productivity app for your workflow. So for Akiflow, it is designed for users who prefer time blocking and calendar-based planning. It integrates with tools like Notion, Gmail, and Slack, allowing you to capture tasks quickly and schedule them using a clean, minimal interface. On the other hand, TickTick offers a more feature-rich experience. It includes a built-in habit tracker, Pomodoro timer, calendar view, and smart lists. If you want an all-in-one tool that covers both tasks and routines, then TickTick is ideal. However, if you are more focused on speed, keyboard shortcuts, and deep calendar integration, then Akiflow may suit you better. And that's basically it. And I hope this comparison was helpful. If it is, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.